Whether it's a lockdown situation or not, making money from home has always been a dream of everyone. Welcome to Golden Rules. Today we are presenting the best methods to make money online, which you can completely operate from your home or anywhere else. All you need is an internet connection. So our list of today begins with number 1, joining a remote company. If you're looking to completely change your career and start working online, then there are thousands of companies looking to hire who don't care who you are. More and more companies and startups, especially, are embracing remote work, wherever you use online collaboration and communication tools to do your work from wherever you want. And you don't have to be a super designer or coder to reap the benefits of working remotely. Many remote positions are for customer support positions or other customer-facing positions that don't require specialized skill sets. Better yet, they aren't all full-time either, meaning you can find a remote company and job that works as an extra way to make money online. If you're interested, here's a list of some of the best websites to find remote jobs. I will also add the links in the description. Number 2. Teach English as a virtual tutor. Teaching English as a second language is a great way to make money online. As long as you're a native speaker or have the ability to teach English, there are people in countries such as Hong Kong or the UAE who are willing to pay upwards of $25 an hour to tutor them English via Skype. Check out Indeed, Learn for Good, and Remote.co for remote English tutoring jobs, or sign up on a specialized site like Preply, VerbalPlanet, or Chegg Tutors. Number 3. Testing websites. You probably have a pretty strong idea of what makes a good website. Is the design clean and easy to navigate? Does the content make sense? Luckily, there are plenty of people out there who want to hear your thoughts, and they'll even pay you decent money for it. Most sites pay around $10 for 20 minutes, or around $30 an hour. To test these websites, you'll be asked to visit the site in question and record your reactions and thoughts as you go through it. To get started making extra money online by testing websites, sign up for some of the most popular services like usertesting.com, Userlytics, TryMyUI, Userfeel, or Testing Time, but this one can only be benefited by people outside of the US. Number 4. Sell your expertise. If you've got experience and expertise in a specific area of business, there are hundreds if not thousands of business owners who would love to jump on a phone call and pick your brain. This can be an easy way to make extra money online and to hone your skills to use in your consulting or freelance business. Sites like Clarity.fm let you create a profile where entrepreneurs and business owners can prepay to book a phone call with you for a set amount of time. Whether you're an expert in raising money for startups, building apps, or running a restaurant, you can make extra money selling a few minutes of your time to people in need. Number 5. Do micro jobs on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a service that lets you make money online through doing paid microtasks. Each task is something simple that requires human interaction, like rating search results, checking for the right spelling on search terms, categorizing the tone of an article, or even basic translation. You can do these tasks from anywhere you want and make money online from the world's largest e-retailer. Do you have any ideas going in your mind which can help others make passive income online? Then share it with us in the comments. We may consider sharing your idea in our next video. The list is not finished here. We have a lot more to share with you. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss any of our upcoming videos. We'll see you in the next time. Till then, do yoga, stay healthy, and maintain social distancing. Thanks for watching.